Hi everyone, it's Melissa with Sundream Succulents, and I have a fun and easy project I want to share with you today. I was at Home Depot a few days ago, and the first thing I do when I get there is I go straight to the garden center. You can find really great deals on plants on certain days of the week. I picked up these succulent bird cages on clearance for $5. Although some of the succulents may not be doing so great, that is okay because I am going to replace them with new ones, and some of these guys will be going to plant rehab. So let's get started. I will be using spray paint. I have 3 different colors. I can't choose between each 3. I will be using a variety of succulents, some moss, some rocks that my friend Susanna gave me, and cactus soil. I'm going to be taking out the existing plants. Whoopsie! So now on to my favorite part, spray painting. The bird cages have been drying for about 10 minutes or so, and it is safe to put the plastic containers in. The plastic containers are going to hold the cactus soil in. These are going to make the perfect centerpieces for my niece's upcoming birthday. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Until next time.